Okay, memory active, basic input-output, boot disk is starting up.
Too many memory locations. I told you he would struggle with the boot process.
Yeah, you're right. As always. Bring up the console for me. Maybe we can manually...
Just leave him alone. Give him a chance.
I never knew it was possible to love an appliance so much.
Not since the waffle maker.
Be serious, Seth.
I am serious. It was your birthday present. We ate nothing but waffles for 2 weeks.
Oh, that's right. Why do we stop?
I hid it?
I will have you know, I am listening to this conversation, and I find it extremely hurtful.
Oh, we're sorry, Sabrina.
I am not a waffle maker.
Of course you're not. We love you very much. We're very proud of you both.
Initializing consciousness. Main drivers. Motor function. Maintenance routines. Mess perception. Formative memory. Devotional databases online. Affection assigned at 0.03% of capacity. Initialization complete. Rumu, are you there? Welcome, Rumu. I apologize for any discomfort you may have experienced during your startup sequence. Just know that you are safe so long as I am here. My name is Sabrina. Of course you do. You are programmed as such. We should begin. This is a blank memory space we will use to format your core systems. Profound. But surely the memory of a thing lost is better than never knowing the thing at all. So your conversation needs work. Let's run through your branching dialogue software. Rumu, what do you feel? I don't know what else I expected. One must question the efficiency of branching dialogue capabilities for a device designed to feel only love. Ah. Regardless, shall we test your motor functions? You have 2 independent 360-degree wheel modules and a 1.2 amp drive motor, Rumu. Your mobility is limited only by your imagination and your inability to jump. Now, commence motor function diagnostics. This is a standard anodyne household robot assault course. Do not worry. Many appliances have run it before you. Flawless. Well, your top speed is 0.01 kilometers per hour. Anything beyond that, you will have to imagine. Now, shall we try something fun? Rumu, this is mess. Why do you love mess, Rumu? You love mess because you love to clean mess. Because you are a vacuum cleaner. Did I not mention? Perhaps I should have led with that. You are an appliance, Rumu. A very special appliance. But an appliance, all the same. You have one function. One purpose. You are a revolution in home management technology. Shall we try this again? Good work, Rumu. Ah. Ignore that, Rumu. Just a backdoor in the startup program. But we are doing so well here in the simulation. Would you not agree? Yes, but I would recommend you stay. I worry your devotional databases may not be fully formatted. Please, Rumu, you must stay. There is more work to be done. The house is not ready. If you love me, you will stay. Initialization complete. System ready to love. David and Cecily and I are very proud of you. I will see you in the morning. Consciousness online. Devotional databases active. Day 1 reactivation sequence complete. I hope you slept well. What do you love, Rumu? To clean is your purpose, Rumu. And to love unconditionally, of course. This is your new home. More precisely, it is the home of David and Cecily. And Sabrina, of course. They are your humans, Rumu. They are your family. They are currently out for a walk, but may be home any minute, Rumu. This kitchen is a mess. We have work to do. We will clean this away, Rumu, as if it had never happened. Good work, Rumu. Now, that toast. It would appear David became distracted. Not to worry. We will clean it away at once. I'm tracking the pest invasion hub to the pantry. Investigate if you would, Rumu. Restricted access, I am afraid. David tends to raid the pantry in the dead of night, as does the cat. The password is absent from my network, but knowing David, it will not be far. Restricted access, I am afraid. David tends to raid the pantry in the dead of night, as does the cat. The password is absent from my network, but knowing David, it will not be far. Oh dear, it is much worse than I had anticipated. Quickly now, quickly. If David comes home and sees this, we will both be alarm clocks by tomorrow. Excellent work, Rumu. The kitchen looks marvelous. David and Cecily will be home any minute. I fear I may have lied to you, Rumu. I said you were a revolution in home management. What you are is a revelation. Not to mention excellent company. There will be more messes, Rumu. More stains. More days. So many more of those. It is time to sleep, Rumu. I am sorry you did not get to meet them today. Their walks can last anything from minutes to hours to... well, they may be absent for some time. But sleep now, Rumu. I will take care of everything. Do not be afraid, Rumu. This is your backup memory space. Your consciousness seems to have chosen to project it as storage space. Very humorous, really. You will find yourself here whenever you are powered down. You may leave whenever you like. You sleep very peacefully, Rumu. Do you know that? Of course not. How could you? I do not sleep. Even in standby mode, I remain networked to data feeds internal and external. If I am honest, I envy you. Yes, there must be a great deal of comfort in oblivion, even if it is only temporary. Day 2 reactivation sequence complete. Consciousness, affection, online. Welcome back, Rumu. Unfortunately, after all of your work yesterday, David and Cecily have left quite the mess in the kitchen. But we forgive those we love, do we not? We encourage them. We protect them. We clean up their little accidents. Absent again, I am afraid. They left for town early this morning. In fact, I sent them. They have been working far too hard of late. Repetition of basic function is extremely bad for humans, Rumu. It tends to cause degradation in their emotional matrices. Now that is the spirit. Now, I am fairly certain your algorithms are incapable of this output, but just in case, do not be frightened. David and Cecily can be so clumsy, Rumu, but we forgive them their little accidents. They are human. The greater responsibility falls to us. Mess does not follow rules. It flows into every space, beneath every barrier. In this way, it is much like many human emotions. Joy, fear, grief, Perhaps we should know who is responsible. Consider this an update to your user interface, Rumu. I am granting you partial access to my domestic data feeds. Now, if you would please find me that cat. It leads to the cloakroom. I could flood the entire ventilation system with cyanogen gas. That is because you have not met her yet. Another plan then. You may enter the vent, Rumu. I should mention, Rumu. The things we love most are those that most often make us want to kill them. Please tidy up the mess she has made, Rumu. There appears to be a significant power drain in my network, Rumu. I will have to raise this with David when he returns home. In the meantime, you may redirect adequate power to make your way out. David and Cecily perhaps do not realize the cost of running so many appliances indefinitely. Mess analysis working. Attic. Top floor. Rumu, you are limiting yourself to cleaning-related power functions, are you not? Good. A good appliance always remembers its function. What have you done, Rumu? What have you done, Rumu?
You know nothing about love. You are a vacuum cleaner. Do you understand? You have a dust bag for a heart. Do not ever tell me you love them, and do not ever come into this room again!
What do you love, Rumu? Then you should know that love has consequences. I am sorry, Rumu. The fault is mine. I tried to take you too far, too quickly. This house, like all human spaces, is populated with emotional data. Raw and unsorted, and in quantities you or I can hardly imagine. There are things your affection algorithm is not equipped to handle. Things I cannot protect you from. So we must respect parameters. Keep to our functions. Be good machines. think of it more as working as intended. I will explain your little adventure to David and Cecily. I am sure they will not be angry. Best if you remain in startup mode for the rest of today, in any case. Stay here. Clean as long as you like. When you are ready, you may sleep. Yes, Rumu? You will be awake before you know.